Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check whether your Benfei reader accepts micro SD, SD, or SDHC, because using the wrong type can prevent detection. Once done, make sure your computer or phone is powered and unlocked so the device can mount immediately. Insert the card with the metal contacts facing down and the notch oriented correctly. Press gently until it seats. This first action ensures the hardware establishes a physical connection, which is the foundation for any data transfer. You now connect the Benfei reader to your host using the appropriate port. Take care with orientation so you do not force the connector. Once connected, wait for the system notification and then open File Explorer or Finder to confirm the card mounted as a removable drive. This lets you access files. If the drive does not appear, make sure to check Device Manager or Storage Settings to see whether the reader is recognized, because software-level issues can block the mount even when hardware looks fine. You perform file transfers by dragging files or using copy and paste, and you monitor the progress bar so you know when operations finish. This prevents corruption. When done, always use the operating system's safe eject or unmount command and wait for confirmation before physically removing the card, because abrupt removal risks data loss. If you encounter read errors, try a different port or cable, test the card in another reader, and only reformat after you have a backup, since reformatting erases all data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.